Watch this video and quantum leap to your dream reality. Ahoy, crew member of the Manifest Galaxy. This is your captain speaking. Before we set off, don't forget to subscribe to be our crew member. Welcome to Manifest Galaxy, where we explore the fascinating world of manifestation and unlock our unlimited potential. In today's episode, we delve into the powerful technique known as the 2-cup manifestation method. This method harnesses the energy of intention and visualization to bring about positive changes in our lives. Join us as we dive deep into the concept and learn how to apply it effectively. The 2-cup manifestation method is based on the understanding that everything is made up of energy, including our thoughts and intentions. By focusing our energy and directing it consciously, we have the power to shift our reality. This method is rooted in the principles of quantum physics and the law of attraction. The first step in the 2-cup manifestation method is setting a clear intention. Take a moment to reflect on what you desire to manifest in your life. It could be a specific goal, a change in circumstances, or a shift in your mindset. Write down your intention on a piece of paper. Be specific, positive, and use present tense as if it has already happened. Next, choose 2 cups. The first cup represents your current reality, while the second cup represents the desired reality you wish to manifest. You can use any type of cups or containers, as long as they hold significance for you. Fill the first cup with water, symbolizing your present state. Now, it's time for visualization and transfer. As you pour the water from the first cup into the second cup, imagine the water symbolizing your current reality transforming into the desired reality. Visualize the details of your desired outcome, feel the emotions associated with it, and believe it to be true. This transfer represents the shift from your present reality to the reality you intend to manifest. After the transfer, drink the water from the second cup while holding the vision of your desired reality in your mind. This act symbolizes internalizing and aligning yourself with the new reality. Feel the energy of the manifestation flowing through you and know that the universe is working to bring it into fruition. The concept behind the 2-cup manifestation method lies in the principle of focused intention and the power of the subconscious mind. By combining the act of physically transferring the water with visualization, we engage both the conscious and subconscious levels of our being. This sends a clear message to the universe and activates the law of attraction. The scientific concept that supports this method is quantum entanglement. According to quantum physics, particles that have been in contact with each other remain connected even when physically separated. Similarly, when we transfer the water from one cup to another, we establish a connection between our current reality and the desired reality on a quantum level. This connection influences the energy and possibilities available to us. The 2-cup manifestation method has been used by many individuals to manifest a wide range of desires. Some examples include attracting abundance, finding love and relationships, improving health and well-being, manifesting career opportunities, and enhancing personal growth. The key is to be clear, consistent, and open to receiving the manifestation in whatever form it may come. Alongside practicing the 2-cup manifestation method, it's essential to support your manifestation journey with healthy habits. Nurturing your physical, mental, and emotional well-being creates a fertile ground for manifestation. Prioritize self-care, maintain a positive mindset, practice gratitude, and surround yourself with supportive environments and people. Remember, manifestation is a co-creative process between you and the universe. The 2-cup manifestation method serves as a powerful tool to align your energy and intentions with the reality you wish to experience. Embrace it as a practice of conscious creation and trust in the infinite possibilities that await you. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey through the 2-cup manifestation method. Start applying this technique in your life and witness the incredible shifts that unfold. Remember, you have the power to manifest your dreams and create a life you love. Stay tuned for more episodes of Manifest Galaxy, where we explore the secrets of manifestation and empower you to manifest the extraordinary. Before your departure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join our next adventure. This is your captain signing off.